Hi, I'm Chef Renata, and welcome to my kitchen. Mother's Day is almost here, and this year I want to help you surprise and celebrate the special mom in your life like never before by preparing her the Mother's Day meal that she deserves. An elegant and special mom really requires an elegant and unique meal. So we are leaving the beef, pork, and chicken in the fridge because we are cooking lamb. Now it's not only delicious, it's easier and much more affordable than you might think. And with help from my good friends at True Aussie Lamb, I'm going to teach 3 eager foodies who love to cook almost as much as they love their wives and moms how to prepare 3 different lamb dishes fit for a queen. Then they can each select their favorite dish to prepare on their own at home as a surprise for their special mom on Mother's Day. But we aren't the only ones cooking today. You are invited to join in and discover Australian lamb for yourself. So, if you're ready to cook, have some fun, and learn all about lamb, let's get started. So welcome back to Renata's Kitchen, everyone. Last week we did a pretty simple dish, right? We did the Turkish-style lamb flatbread. And this week we're doing something a little bit more complicated. We're doing an Asian barbecue lamb sauté.
I'm having fun. It's going great. I had no expectations, so I didn't know it was gonna be this easy to cook lamb. I can totally see myself taking this on in the future.
I'm a little bit nervous, but I'm up for the challenge.
Good, excellent.
So far, everything is going absolutely wonderful, and my mind has gone completely different what I originally thought lamb was and what it was all about. And my mom, she's gonna be blown away.
Okay, so we're going to start on our Asian lamb sauté. Are you guys all ready?
I'm ready.
I'm excited to show you.
Let's do it.
Okay, great. Let's do it then. So I have a little grill cast iron plate here. You want to get it pretty hot, pretty smoking hot. So I'm going to get that up a little bit, and then I'm skewering the lamb. And this has been marinated in a little tom yum paste, which is a Thai sweet chili paste with some lemongrass. And you can see this is kind of starting to smoke now. Ah, very nice. And what I'm doing here, you usually don't want to press on meat, but I'm just pressing a little bit to get an even coverage because I really want to get that nice grill mark and get that lamb cooked pretty quickly. Meanwhile, while that's going, all I'm going to do is do my side dish. What we're going to do is rice, which I've already cooked, very easy to steam rice. We're going to put it on our dish like this. Just a couple roasted sesame seeds, and you can be a little generous with that too. Then we're going to put this plate to the side for plating. Check on our lamb. Nice, beautiful grill mark. You always want to soak your skewers ahead of time as well so they don't burn up and fall off while we're doing this. And then we're just going to make our dipping sauce. It's a really easy sweet chili sauce. This is just simply sweet chili sauce that I bought at the store. And we just are going to add a little lime. So that's going to make it very tangy. I'm going to stir this first, and then I'm just going to add a little cilantro to it for dipping. The sweet chili sauce is pretty sweet and a little spicy, so that lime goes great with it. I have cilantro, which is also called coriander. So if you see fresh coriander in a recipe, I'm just gonna chiffonade this a little bit, slice it up, and I don't even need that much. And that's our dipping sauce. Okay, so our lamb sauté is all grilled, and we just wanna put it on the plate just like this, right up against the rice. So there we go. It's the Asian barbecue lamb sautés. And it's just a little rice, sweet and sour dip, really easy. All right, my friends, we have our ingredients, we have our equipment, we have all of our utensils, and we are ready to make our Asian barbecue lamb sautés. So are you guys excited about this?
I'm excited.
Yes,
Okay, you have a time crunch again. 30 minutes to prepare this new dish. I'm gonna help you. Don't be scared, I'm gonna help you.
Come over here first.
All right, are you ready?
Yes.
3, 2, 1, cook.
The biggest challenge for me is just making sure that the meat is done well. Always scary to me. I don't know why, I'm just that way. So it was really nice to have someone show me how to prepare lamb so that I know I can make it and it will be well cooked and it will taste delicious. So no more second guessing for me.
So we're gonna crank your heat up just a little bit. You have your avocado oil in there?
Yes.
Okay, so when you skewer these, please remember to keep them pretty tight and towards—
Squish them together.
Yeah, towards this end of that skewer.
Got it.
So how long should you let this marinate?
This particular marinade has a bit of acid in it. 30 minutes to 6 hours and you're good to go. So James, how are you doing?
I am doing good. I got these skewered on there.
Yeah, they look good.
Now, you said acid. Are my fingers gonna fall off here? Or what's that really mean?
That's funny. No. Acid is like citrus juice, vinegars, things like that,
Okay.
that actually will kind of cook a meat and tenderize it. So a short amount of time is good and a long amount of time is not. So now you've got your oil smoking here, right?
Yes,
So that
ma'am.
looks pretty good. So they're ready for your skewers.
All right.
Okay.
My relationship with everybody it's like an instant family. Everyone is learning something new, and it's like we're all here for a common goal, and it is to learn something for somebody else who's done something for us. And Chef Renage, she's amazing, great coach, great teacher, and Jonathan and Kim, they're just so fun to be around, and it's been a great time so far. Now, I usually don't press down on the meat, but I just want it to cook even.
Right. Gee, that's an original idea, James.
Yeah.
James, that's awesome.
How did you know that?
How did you know how to do that?
Everything.
Right.
Yeah. So put 2 more pieces of meat, and then we're going to taste them at different stages, which, Kim, is the other way that we are going to know the temperature of our meat,
My
right?
family will thank you. They're always complaining that I cook the meat too long. So
Yeah.
this is awesome.
And, you know, lamb cooks in the same time frame as beef. So if you're used to cooking sirloin beef or chuck or any of those cuts, it's going to take about the same amount of time. Once you have them in the grill pan and you've got them, you know, pressed down just gently, you have your plate here, your rice, your sesame seeds. You can go ahead and get your rice, sesame seeds on here and finish your sauce. So James, you're mixing your dipping sauce, and you have the sweet chili and the lime in there.
Yes, ma'am. Half
And
a lime.
what else needs to go in there?
Love.
Love.
And maybe some seeds?
No,
Nothing,
seeds.
just love.
Trick
Trick
love,
question.
and you have a glass of greens in front of you.
Where do I even begin?
Remember I talked about cilantro.
Yes.
What you want to do is pick about maybe 5 leaves, 10. You're
a
going to
little
chop
handful?
them up and they're going to go in your sauce, in your dipping sauce.
Just like that?
Yep. And how do you think your lamb is doing right now?
It's cooking.
It is cooking. You think you need to flip it?
Good looking.
You want to curve your hand a little bit and put your knife against that so you never hit your fingers. So you can do this and just kind of push them up and hold on like that. Okay? Okay, Kim, how are you doing?
Well, I'm not sure. Overdone or just right?
It's a little charred on the outside.
Yeah.
So let's go ahead and pull them off and put them on your plate. I think they're done.
That this really is about our mothers, and I'm thrilled and excited to be able to prepare something that will blow my mom away. She'll be so excited to know that all of this that I've done and all of the time I've spent with Chef Renata and the other guys just learning how to prepare these meals really is all for her.
Go ahead and cut into that. There you go.
Okay.
So there's a little pink in there. Yeah, so if she'd like it more well done, you can put those skewers back in.
Okay.
Do you want to do that? Okay, let's do that. Lamb is very forgiving this way.
That's so good to know.
It's still really delicious even with
Yeah.
a little char. I actually like it with that char crust
Yeah,
on
I like
it, so
the
I'm
char,
gonna like it, yeah. You have about 1 minute left. So what's going on with your plate here, Jonathan? Where's the dipping sauce go? There you go.
There we go. It's a little lonely over here.
That looks good, man.
Okay, countdown. Are you guys ready?
No.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. Step away. Nice job.
I mean, I'll be honest, I was nervous at first because when you hear lamb, like I have all of these thoughts in my head about how hard it is to make. I loved being able to make it. It was easier, much easier than I thought. I think that it's something I could totally do at home without Chef Renata with me. I can hear her in my head though, telling me these things that I need to do, but I totally think I could do it.
It's super easy. Like anyone can do it. And if I can just cook eggs and now I'm cooking lamb, man, sky's the limit.
I'm really proud of you all. You did a great job on these Asian lamb sautés. Kim,
Yes.
how'd you do?
Let's check
it
it
looks
out.
really good. Are you ready to taste
Yes.
them? Awesome. Let's taste.
Right. This is so good.
Did a really nice job. It's cooked about medium, which is great. You could have gone a little longer on the other side, but otherwise, it's great. Okay. Now that's a pretty plate. That looks really nice. So your cilantro's nicely chopped in there, really fine. Your skewers look evenly cooked. I'm gonna take this one right here.
All right.
It's delicious. You did a great job. That's the way I like it cooked, which is more medium rare. Nice job, though.
Thanks, Chef.
Beautiful.
Yeah, I'm almost through to the end of this, and the amazing dishes that I've been making, she's gonna love it. I mean, she's gonna love the fact that I look, first of all, sexy in this apron, you know, hands down. Am I right? Am I right? Okay. So, but yeah, just being able to know that I actually can cook a meal and then it being lamb, man, she's gonna be thrilled. That's one less meal that she has to make.
James, what do you think?
I think it looks good. It was a lot easier than I thought.
You did a really nice job with your plating. It's a beautiful dish. So let's taste this.
I like that a lot.
You surprised me.
Now, what does that mean?
Well, I had my doubts about you, but I'm very impressed with this.
Well, thank you.
I watched the Food Network, and these guys are plating these beautiful plates and these dishes, and I realized I've done that twice already. Mom's gonna be absolutely excited. Now I know for a fact that she's gonna absolutely enjoy what I bring to the table.
I can't believe how you mastered this dish. You're almost lamb chefs now. But next week, we have our most challenging dish in our third episode. It is a chili honey glazed T-bone lamb chop.
Oh.
Have you ever heard of a T-bone lamb chop?
No.
No, I haven't.
Sounds intimidating, doesn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, well, you thought this was intimidating too,
I'm
and look how
scared,
great you did.
Like right now, I'm feeling a little some kind of way. Yes.
It's good. It'll get your competitive juices flowing. But I'm really proud of all of you. You all did a great job, and I'll see you next week. So we had a great time cooking our Asian-style barbecue lamb sauté today. Make sure you don't miss our next episode. If you're cooking along with us, we'd like for you to share your lamb photos. So follow us at Aussie Beef Lamb with #SimplySpring. We can't wait to see how you will be celebrating the mom in your life this Mother's Day with Australian lamb. Until then, I'm Chef Renata. Thanks for cooking with us.